Then somebody raised an interesting question about a business account. This is something a friend recently asked me as well. A friend was asking me, Cleva, GGPay, and also Grey.co, do they allow you to create an account for your business, like $1 account for your business? And I told him, to the best of my knowledge, I don't think so, right? But it came up in Cleva's QA session, and they did mention that they don't have that feature yet. However, you can pretty much use your Cleva account for your business, right? It's just that the Cleva account has to be in your name because it's an individual account. You know, when you create a Cleva account, you have to verify your identity, you know, so you have to use your personal account and everything. You can use that personal account to pretty much do business. That is completely fine. They said it's okay. Then later next year, you'd be able to actually create a business account. So you have like a separate business account and upload your CAC documents to receive money on Cleva. So it's something that is also in the works, but again, as of the moment, you can use your personal account to do business. That's completely fine. But again, keep in mind that if you send a lot of money to your Cleva account, the compliance team might, flag it and then, ask you to provide additional documents to prove that you are the owner of the money. Another thing I would really encourage you to do before I talk about the last part they mentioned in the QA session is try to attend the QA sessions. If you've signed up on Cleva before, you should be getting emails from them. So they occasionally send this email from time to time. I think it's every quarter or every 2 months. I'm not very sure. I've only attended twice, but they do it from time to time where they send out an email telling you that, hey, tomorrow or next tomorrow by 5 p.m. we're going to be having a QA session. So you can come in there. If your money is hanging, if you're having issues with Cleva, you can complain to the team and they'll be there to assist you. So try as much as possible to tune in to the QA session.